Now, who would have thought that one could produce something so beautiful with a carrot and a packet of cake mix? But let me show you how absolutely painless it is. We've baked the carrot cake in a Swiss roll pan, and now you're going to use any cutter if you like. Kumpopi. Don't get nervous about the little offcuts here. We're going to roll them and make the most beautiful cake truffles. Cream cheese icing has a problem. It always goes watery. This time it won't. Before you start the icing, make sure the butter is soft enough. The way to do that is if you can easily push your finger into it, you know you can start creaming. We can add the cream cheese now, or cottage cheese, the medium fat one. Throw in the icing, and surprise, surprise, at the end you're going to have a perfect little nozzle, which you can use for piping. The nozzle is in, the bag is ready. Just stretch the bag over any container that you have. Just start on slow. Add a bit of milk to it. Now, the milk is just an indication. You may want to add a bit more. Oh, this is divine. Can you see that there is absolutely no sign of wateriness? Just perfect as it is. Let's just taste if it's right. Right. Now, here we've got our icing in the bag. Nice, generous amount. Nice. Put a little bit of chopped nuts in, because there is nuts in the cake. Come for tea.